Today, we will talk about 10 best methods to make money online. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities for making money online. Whether you're aiming for financial independence or some extra cash, it offers many options for starting an online business. This guide explores some of the best ways to make money online in 2024. We've compiled a list of 10 strategies that can turn your online aspirations into an income stream. For each method, we'll provide insights into the necessary tools, skills, and potential earnings. 1. Create an e-commerce site. Online stores have many advantages compared to offline ones, including wider market reach and lower startup costs. If you focus on a specific niche, your e-commerce business can stand a better chance against rivals. Staying up to date with currently trending products can help you decide which items to sell. To establish a successful e-commerce store, develop a business plan and set up the essentials like inventory, shipping, business licenses, and permits. 2. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. For example, if you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you to apply them. To make money online as a freelancer, you need to start by building out a strong portfolio. That may mean doing some free work with some reputable mid-tier brands to start. Once you create a strong portfolio, you can reach out to potential big clients to earn more money online. Remember, freelancing is a numbers game. The more personalized emails and applications you fill out, the more likely you'll be to get a response back. 3. Write and monetize blog posts. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, etc. is often a narrow enough focus to build a loyal following and big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. You can start a blog on various platforms from Shopify, remove the checkout feature, so you don't have to pay a subscription as you build it out, to WordPress. 4. Publish an ebook. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's never been easier to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. In 2013, I created several ebooks on Amazon, and even though it didn't make me rich, I still made some money from it. To generate sales for your ebook, focus on marketing tactics that are proven to attract customers. For example, you can give the first few copies of your book away for free. 5. Create an online course. Selling courses is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You can sell your course on Udemy, or if you already have your own audience, through your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $5,000 per month with online courses. The platform you sell your course on will determine how to best make money. If you sell your course on Udemy, you don't have to do much to promote it. You can almost set it and forget it. 6. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. Did you know soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges between $880,259 and $1 million on average for a sponsored Instagram post? While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, create your own online store and sell products, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell merch, get paid to appear at events, and more. 7. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber is Jimmy Donaldson, aka Merbeast, who uploads bizarre stunts on his YouTube channel, which made him $54 million in 2024. Another high earner is Jake Paul, who's made $45 million on YouTube by sharing high-energy prank videos and boxing content. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content that people want. Create witty headlines to entice people to watch your videos and use keywords in your description to optimize for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. 8. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to be a stable way to earn through the internet. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you choose from a vast range of companies to partner with, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. If you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, your best bet is to focus on content marketing. By building out a blog with several pages of high-quality content, you create an asset you can call your own. Strategically place affiliate links in your blog posts to drive traffic to your affiliate partner's website. 9. Start dropshipping. Let's start our list off with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rising, highlighting its viability as a business idea. With success stories about how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. If you don't know what dropshipping is, it's a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. With Shopify dropshipping, you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. 10. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably looking at this money-making idea and feeling a bit stuck. Fortunately, though, you can hire someone with programming skills to build an app for you. Sites like Toptal will connect you with plenty of app developers who are open to working with entrepreneurs to turn their vision into reality. When it comes to making money on your app, your best bet will be to add it to Google Play and the App Store. And while it may seem counterintuitive, having a free app can help you make more than a paid app. With a free app, you can add ads or premium features to help you make money. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.